In this video, we'll show you how to optimize the signal for your doorbell and base station. Before installation, make sure the doorbell and the base station are close to each other, ideally on the same table, and activate them if you have not. By default, the doorbell connects to the base unit. Then the base unit connects to your router. In this scenario, get to the place where you want to install the base unit. It's probably going to be the one closest to your front door. Hold your phone near the outlet where you want to plug the base unit. Try streaming videos on your phone over your Wi-Fi. If the video plays smoothly, the position you're trying to install has a good Wi-Fi coverage. Simply plug the base unit into the outlet, then adjust the antennas. The angle for the best signal differs from home to home. You can aim it up, 45 degrees, or front, depending on your wireless environment. For larger homes or longer distances, you may want to enable the wireless bridge. This allows both the doorbell and the base unit connect to your router directly. To do so, make sure you can stream videos on your phone over your Wi-Fi at both locations, before your door while the door is shut, and the exact outlet you plan to plug the base unit. Once you've confirmed a good Wi-Fi coverage, enable wireless bridge before installing them. Here's how to enable wireless bridge. Open device settings. Scroll down and tap network connection. Select doorbell mesh settings. Switch the mode from AP to mesh. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once enabled, enjoy a stronger connection and greater peace of mind. Then adjust the antennas. The angle for the best signal differs from home to home. You can aim it up, 45 degrees, or front, depending on your wireless environment.